Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we have done this much. Now we'll complete this painting. So first I am taking the green color and just make the shape like this. We'll take this color, okay. Just I am taking Persian blue and sap green, okay, and I'm just making the shape like this here. Just make the shape like this. Some water is there, so you can remove this. Just make the shape everywhere. Okay, now I'm taking Persian blue, only Persian blue, which is there. It is there, Persian blue, okay. And I'm just taking a dark half circle like this. Just make the half circle here. Okay, now I'm taking only brush and will make this circle full with the shade. At the same time you can do if it is not getting dry, because it gets dry very fast. It is wet, so I can do it. Just make full circle. Okay, like this. Just if it is not coming properly, then you can take color and just make the like this. If you feel the color is not coming properly, then you can take color and just fill it like this. Here also. I'm feeling it is not up to the mark here, so I'm doing again because it's got dry. Okay, now we'll make the feather stroke. Okay, to make this feather stroke we need some this type of brushes, whatever it is flat and whatever it is round. It's totally up to you which brush you wanted to use. You can use this brush also if you're comfortable, then you can use. We'll try to make with both of the brushes. So now this time we need blue, we need Persian blue and we need sap green at the same time. We'll take our strokes at the same time. Okay, so now I'm taking green first, okay, and just making the stroke like this. Okay, at the same time I'm taking blue color also, and just I'm taking green first, I'm taking blue for again, and just take the, you can take somewhere blue, somewhere green. You no need to take the water, just take the color only, because if you will take water your stroke will not come. Okay, like this. Just you have to finish like this. Everywhere you have to finish. See, I'm not taking any color, I'm just taking the see, I'm taking the color here and just I'm tapping on the plate, then I'll start like this. Somewhere I'm taking blue also. You have to take some blue color here. You have to finish you have to cover every place like this, because you are doing feather work. After this detailing work will be there, so just okay, you can see how beautifully it is coming. Okay, you have to complete like this full picture. Okay, so I'm taking first green. One by one you have to do it, no need to hurry. Just make this stroke like this. Somewhere it is blue, somewhere it is okay, like this. Acrylic painting takes a time if you are doing with detailing. That's why it has taken almost three episodes. But don't worry, you have learned something, I know. For the basic paintings, you can do it easily in a very less time. Now I'm taking a little bit of green color more. I'm doing here because if now I'm taking a 0 number brush because it is very detailed work. Okay, I'm taking this 0 number brush. See, like this, it has very good point because I need to do some detailing work. Now this time we'll do detailing work with green and blue at the same time. Right now I am taking this green, okay, and just I am making like this. Just you need to make some line like this. Somewhere it is green, somewhere it is blue. Like this, then your peacock will get enhanced like this. Okay, like this, just you have to complete full picture. I'm doing here. See, remember one thing, to make this thing, when you will start this thing, no need to give pressure, just make it very lightly like this. and no need to take water. Just try to make it freehand, otherwise you can use your bottle wala acrylic color and you can use it. Both the color is same, no difference is there, okay, but this is a little liquid and tube color is hard and stiff. Just make it like this. First complete this blue portion, after that you can use green portion, okay. Just do it very light. See, I am doing with very light hand, then it will come. Otherwise, if I'll give some force and pressure, then it will not come fine. Okay, so just I hope you have learned, because it has lots of strokes and shade. It has a full freehand drawing. Only draw a peacock base I have drew before. Rest is it's totally freehand, and you can make it because acrylic color, in acrylic color you can make your own choice, you can make your own shade, okay. I'm just doing with some fine strokes here. Okay, now I'm taking green color. This time to make this stroke I'm taking the sap green, okay. Just I'm taking the sap green and like this. I'm taking a little bit of water because it is very tight color, so I have to mix water over here like this and just finish it like this. Just make the line. See how it is coming, it is coming very nicely. If I feel okay, it required again blue color, then I'll add some blue color. Right now I am doing with green. Some texture is also coming. Just I am taking see, this is my green color, okay, which I am using like this. To make this work now, you can create a texture also. Even it is creating right now. I'm using a green color with Persian blue. Everywhere you can do, it's up to you. Just make it here, okay. It should be prominent, it should be clear. The strokes, this is the final stroke, this is the finishing stroke even. It should be clear. The shape will be there. Okay. I thought I forgot to make this peak portion, so I'm taking a blue with black color. Okay, I'm mixing here. Okay, because I have used the, and just make the like this. No need to use any water and all the, just mixing with the color together. Finishing is like this. Okay, now your this painting is completed. It has taken 3 sessions because it has lots of detailing work, lots of technique, lots of strokes. I hope you have learned this thing and you will be satisfied after doing this thing. So just make it this thing and share with me. Okay, till then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Sorry, I didn't remove this thing and I wanted to remove this tape in front of you. That's why then मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ कि after removing this tape you will get a very nice and see like this, very nice and clean work like this. See, I am removing my tape like this. Everywhere I have stuck the tape. Now you can see how it is neat and how it is cool. See, now your painting is completed now because it has a very neat corner. चलिए इसी के साथ मैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में मिलती हूँ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.